Three, two, one. Hi guys. So welcome to the third semester. We're going to be jumping into the MyCS curriculum. This is probably going to go a bit faster than last semester. There was a lot of time to kind of just chill out and watch music videos. A lot of people did that. And to keep up with this semester, we are actually using now a set curriculum. So it's going to be much more like a math class where you're going through the book. There are certain expectations that we hit. So that means that we've really got to be on point. You've got to be spending probably about at least 30 minutes a day working on your stuff. We've got a 50-minute class. If you're working hard for 30 minutes, you'll be doing just fine. But what that takes is daily attention, that you're going to sit down and keep on working. This first day should be pretty easy, and we're just kind of getting settled into using both the new Google Classroom for the third semester and using Scratch and Scratch accounts. Probably do a little troubleshooting if some people are forgetting their passwords, but it shouldn't take us too long to get through it. Then we're just going to be doing the first demo project. So this is Unit 1.1. So once you log into your new Google Classroom, you should be at your first assignment, Intro to MyCS, Getting Started with Scratch Studio. And there should be a link to your class studio. You should remember we did this the first week of school. We kind of set up these accounts. So we're going to have to get back into that. So once you press that link, it should open up and take you to a page just like this. I'm logged into my student account now. So for our first assignment, we are going to do a slightly more advanced version of an intro project. And that's when you come up here and click Create. That'll take us to our Scratch composition screen. And what we're going to be doing today is creating an animation of your name. That's one of the demo projects. So once you're on your main editor screen, you come up to the top right, and there are demo projects here. Now, some of you have done this last year, so this should be very familiar. We're going to make it a little more complicated than we did last year, though. So when you click on the Animate Your Name project, there's a video that'll run through and also a list of steps that you're expected to go through. So there's 8 steps for this project. Now, the big difference is, so you're going to be able to go through this yourself, read the instructions, watch the video. But the big difference, and what you're going to be graded on in this assignment once you turn it in, is that we're not just going to use the letters that the Scratch team gave us. We're going to be bringing in our own PNGs. And you'll get bonus points if you bring in the same PNGs that you use to create your name template. So I just want to go over this. So right now, if we look where my cursor is, it's upload sprite from file. So you know how to search for PNGs by going to Google and setting the tools to transparent. If you download those, or if you still have them in your folder, we can bring those in. So I'm going to demo that right now. So I'm going to click to upload sprite from file. And right here, I've got the S for my name. So I'm going to double click and it's going to import that S. So now on the screen, it's huge right now. So what we need to do is go into the Costumes tab. So if we click up here in the center in the Costumes tab, this will look a bit like Pixlr, right? A lot of the same things. I want to show you how to make something smaller and adjust the size. I'm going to click down here to the Select tool, very similar to Pixlr, and you just drag and drop all around your letter. Once you have all that, the same process as Pixlr. I'm going to make it smaller, put it up here. Remember, if I wanted to rotate, I could rotate it around, and that's just letter number 1. So to bring in all your PNG letters, that's going to be the process. Then you're going to do your color effects, your sounds, your backdrop, just as the project normally says in the Animate Your Name project. Once you've got your entire name animated, you're going to share that project. You're going to come up to our classroom. You're going to click on Scratch Studio, and you're going to click the Add Projects button. And you're going to copy and paste the URL of your project in here so we can all see what each others have done. And that's it for today. Should take about 35 minutes, maybe a little bit longer if we're having trouble logging in. But I'm excited to see what you guys make, and I'm excited to see you taking PNGs and start to bring it into the Scratch environment. We'll get to 1.2, 3, and 4, and then Friday will be a catch-up day. Okay? Have a great one. Bye.